The Jaintia National Council (JNC) Central Executive Committee on Friday warned that it would intensify its agitation in March to the Meghalaya Secretariat in Shillong if the state government fails to respond to its objections regarding the Environmental Impact Assessment or EIA report of Shree Cement by the 15th of May 2026. In a formal press statement issued on Friday, the organization expressed serious concern and disappointment over what it described as the complete silence of Government of Meghalaya following the submission of its written objection on the 30th of April 2026 to the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, the State Environment Impact Assessment Authority Meghalaya, and the Regional Office of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change in Shillong. Addressing the media, the GNC alleged that the EIA report contained 3 major violations which, according to the organization, did not require further investigation as they were already admitted within the document itself. The organization claimed that the draft EIA report appeared to be linked to Gujarat instead of Meghalaya. Referring to page 1 of the report, the JNC said the consultant had mentioned that the proposal had been considered by the Gujarat SEAC and that SEIAA Gujarat had issued the terms of reference to the EIA study. The council questioned how SEIAA Meghalaya could accept and process an EIA document allegedly addressed to a Gujarat authority for a project located in East Jaintia Hills. The GNC further alleged that the project's safety and disaster management plan was based on a withdrawn legal standard. It stated that the EIA classified the project area under Seismic Zone 6 using an Indian standard that had reportedly been withdrawn by the Bureau of Indian Standards through a Gazette notification dated the 3rd of March 2026. The organization questioned how a public hearing could proceed on the basis of what it termed a cancelled legal framework. The council also criticized the absence of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council in the EIA report. It stated that the constitutional body which exercises authority over land and natural resources under the 6th schedule of the Constitution was neither consulted nor mentioned in matters related to consent or revenue sharing. Drawing comparisons with the Meghalaya government's recent decision to remove Lumpongdeng Island from the proposal Taj Resort project at Umiam Lake following public opposition, the JNC argued that the concerns of the people of Nongkhle Ilaka in East Jaintia Hills deserved equal consideration and respect. The council accused the company of attempting to divide communities by influencing local leaders and village authorities while obstructing the activities of civil society groups in areas where it intended to operate. The organization described such actions as infiltration rather than development. JNC Central Executive Committee President Sambormi Lingdor stated that the organization had not submitted its objections merely as a formality but had done so with evidence that warranted a response. He further asserted that the JNC would continue to oppose any attempt by outside companies to undermine the land, rights and constitutional protections of the indigenous people.
Niliang yung ika Jaintia National Council hagni isngi kuwadadep bo iya ki jingtho chaki department ki wafat ki am hapo ka state ko yung khamtam chaka state pollution board chaka sia matkam jula chaka ministry of environment hejing ito waka jingchem yung wagani ka EIA report draft report yung ka Shree Cement manga kayi ka wa miyahap waka state kayong kamat ka wakong san ko kam ka senda bo hagani ka jing tho to hejing ito wagani ka chapter 1 Yang gani ka EIA mo ka introduction ka wa gani ka scope of study. Hindi the thought chega the application for the terms of reference for the proposed project was considered in the meeting of the Gujarat SEAC. Based on the submission and presentation made by the project proponent in SEAC Gujarat and SIA has issued the TOR for the EIA study. Kani dah kenal chega. Wata kini ki project proponent mah dapat gi ya kata ka submission ko yang ki ka government of Gujarat lembaga State Environmental Appraisal Committee yang ke government of Gujarat. Welengba ke SIA yang ke Gujarat mah the issue gi ya kani ka terms of reference na kebentar kani ka EIA report yang kani ka Shree Cement. Kai kam ka sen dabi da ka jing si ka wakro wa yo. Hadon ne ka sngi yo wa ki department yang ka sarkar dang suki gi. Hedging ito wagani gi ka sen ka wada pentip ga ceki. Wa kamnu kani ka TOR ka wada issue da ka government of Gujarat uye ka ukre kam hapo ka jalla Meghalaya ka yang da bila da ka jing si ka wakro wa yo na do wa wan kani ka Shree Cement da do wa am ka jing thmu wa ra kani ka company ha ka elaka nang khle da pen pia pen praga da kinong chong chnong yang ka elaka yo da am ka jing cha yo roi ya kirit kirya kinong chong chnong wat ha ka public hearing ka wada de penman he jing ito wa ka plan yo chi bon kinong chong chnong kham tam yang ka daistong wom yo gi ye chim benta wom yo kitang wat upsia cha ka thau penman ya kani ka public hearing he jo ipor la ye kam kisen bhalang da khanglat da kita ki mafia ki wakani ka company da panam kam ga da ilam bakala ga ki khon khon ro ya ki rangba yang ka tai ka elaka te kam ka sen da bi da ka jing snyau khia ka wajor wa ila ka sarkar suki ga hadon ne kisngi lada ka sarkar ye ga uwang ya ka project yang ka Taj Hotel na ulompong dang ka yi ka jing ya ka ni ka jok ka sarkar wa uwang ya ka ni ka jing thmu yang ka Shree Cement wa wanra ya ka ni ka cement plant ki yang ka po ka elaka nong khle de wa yo roi ya ki ain yang ka sarkar jalla ka yang de wa yo roi ya ki hok yang ki tre chnong ki tre thau kani hi man gale ka man percha ya ka Constitution of India ya ka fundamental right ka yang kam kinong chong chnong yang kari India nei tai dau kam ka JNC mem kwa yu snam bo ki prado ki prasnam ka yang nei tai dau kwa wa ka sarkar upan sange na go mardor ya kani ka jing thmu yang kani ka project yang jing thmu yang ka company wora ya kani ka cement plant ka yang ka hapo kani ka elaka ta sachisen la kamu ka sarkar da vengo da snap ya ka sur yang kinong chong chnong yang ka riboy hapo ka jingilam yang ka Green Tech Foundation kwa ele wa ka so kani ka juk ka sarkar u ap ko ya ka sur ka yang ki is jaintia hachwa wo upan mani ya ka jingi ki ulai tur Secretariat kentu ya ka sarkar wo chim serious ga ya kani ka kabenta kemo wam to kini ki company wo AFP ka bor wo sanchar pe hendai to ki pat ba ki wapun ku bor ye wo man pikam kita ki nong sanchar ki yang to kun mo pi wo ka bor ka wo khro chong ha opat ba la de phi la ben phi opat ba ka JNC wam ban sega hagani ka election MP daw yala percha ga ya gini ki party khamtam ya ka sarkar MDA ka wa ya khmat da ka NPP ka wa yo roj ya ka sur ka yang ka message ka wa clear pha chau CM yang woman la ka mu environment minister uto chim khia ya kani ka kam hachwa wa ka JNC pun man ga da ka jingi ki wa jor hapo ka sor shillong kani to ka khubor ka wache na ka liang ka office yang ka Joint National Council lang ba yang nga o president yang ka